Hi, my name is Shanda, and today I'm going to teach you guys how to do a magic ring. So to start your magic ring, you're going to take your yarn of choice. You're going to take the tail of the yarn and drape it over your hands like so. You're going to loop the working yarn around your fingers and bring it up and make an X on the front of your hand. Bring it back down and create 2 lines on the back of your hand, just like this. Now that you have that 2-line look, you'll take your hook, go under that first line closest to the fingertips, hook your second line, and pull through. Now that you have this loop on your hook, you're going to go ahead and grab your working yarn. You're going to go ahead and yarn over and pull through that first loop. This circle here is now your magic ring. And now I'm going to show you guys how to cast stitches onto your magic ring. You're going to take your hook, you're going to go into that circle. You're going to go ahead, grab your working yarn. You're going to yarn over, pull through. So you have 2 loops on your hook, yarn over again, and pull through both of those loops. Now you've created 1 stitch in your magic ring. In order to create a magic ring with 6 stitches, we're going to go ahead and repeat that same step 5 more times. So yarn over, pull through, yarn over again, and pull through both loops. That's 2 stitches in the magic ring. See, 1, 2. So again, we're going to repeat that 4 more times. I find the magic in me every day, in the sweetest sips as time slips away. Little things that bring a smile to me, like the sugar swirling in my coffee. No rush, no race, just the afternoon light. In the simple joy, everything feels right. I find the magic soft and free. In these sweet moments, just being me. In these sweet moments, life feels new. And all I need is right here too. Now that you've completed your desired amount of stitches, we're going to go ahead and close up the magic ring. So to close, you can pull out that stitch so that you don't lose it. You're going to go ahead and take the tail of the yarn. You're going to take it and you're going to pull it, and it will pull the magic ring closed. Just like that. And just like that, you've created a magic ring. Everything's stitched closed and looks great. Good job, guys.